Let's take a look at this SlimFast meal replacement shake mix. Each serving contains 10 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 24 vitamins and minerals. A few different flavors are available. There's strawberries and cream, creamy milk chocolate, and this one, rich chocolate royale. You can mix this with just simple water or with some fat-free milk. Here I'm going to mix it with some almond milk. I've been using this for a while now. I've been replacing my lunches at work with this shake. This is great because it also saves me time. I don't have to worry about packing a lunch every day for work. All I need is some milk and this blender bottle, and in just a matter of minutes I have my lunch. I've tried a few other shake mixes in the past, and I gotta say, this one here tastes really great. I really like how this mix tastes, and I really like how I feel. And I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.